This 2025 Jayco Jay Flight 380DQS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 40 feet 4 inches in length and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.